Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to make your designs more dynamic, eye-catching and modern, Canva lets you add animations to text, images and entire pages without any video editing experience. Built-in animation presets, one-click effects for text and elements, perfect for social media presentations and videos, beginner-friendly controls. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to add animation in Canva 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open your design. So basically, open your Canva account. Okay, so log into your account, open an existent design, or click create a design and choose a format. So let's choose a presentation. So here try to choose a template, okay, a ready template. So as you can see now, you can animate text, videos, images, icons, shapes, okay, entire pages. So to select an element, click on the text or image. So for example, yeah, make sure it's highlighted and you must select an element before applying animation. Okay, so now with the element selected, click animate in the toolbar. Okay, this opens the animation panel. You will see categories like text animations, okay, animations, photo animations, page animations. So Canva shows different animation styles depending on what you select, okay. As you can see, okay, so this is it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.